in households and places of worship is believed to bring joy, good fortune, and peace. The statue of Ong Fuk is often depicted as a kind-hearted elder holding a child or a scroll, symbolizing wisdom and prosperity in familial relationships. His expression radiates warmth and generosity, reflecting the blessings of happiness he bestows upon his devotees. The crafting process. A masterpiece of hand-carved wooden art. Creating a handcrafted wooden sculpture of Ong Fuk is a labor-intensive process that requires exceptional skill, patience, and artistic vision. Below is a step-by-step breakdown of how skilled artisans bring this masterpiece to life. 1. Selecting the right wood. The choice of wood is crucial in ensuring the durability and beauty of the sculpture. Common types of wood used for carving Ong Fuk include track wood, rosewood known for its rich color and durability. Hong wood, aromatic wood, emits a pleasant fragrance and is resistant to termites. Gu wood, mahogany, has a smooth texture and fine grain, perfect for detailed carving. Artisans meticulously select wood with minimal imperfections to ensure a flawless final piece. 2. Designing and sketching. Before carving begins, artisans create detailed sketches or clay models to establish the proportions and intricate details of the statue. This stage is essential in visualizing the final product and ensuring that every aspect of the sculpture aligns with traditional artistic norms. 3. Rough carving. The rough carving stage involves chiseling away large chunks of wood to form the basic shape of the sculpture. This step requires careful planning and precision to avoid unnecessary waste of material. 4. Detailed carving. Once the general shape is established, artisans use fine chisels and carving knives to add intricate details, such as facial expressions, clothing patterns, and symbolic elements. This stage demands immense concentration and expertise, as even the slightest mistake can alter the sculpture's final look. 5. Sanding and polishing. After the carving is complete, the sculpture undergoes multiple rounds of sanding to smooth out rough edges and enhance the wood's natural grain. This step is essential for preparing
The art of crafting the wooden statue of Fook, a testament to traditional handicraft. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to the Crafted Woodworks channel. Wood carving is an ancient and highly revered form of artistic expression. Among the many significant themes in traditional wooden sculptures, the representation of Fook, one of the three deities in the Foolush Fukluk Ta trio, holds deep cultural and spiritual value. The figure of Fook symbolizes happiness, prosperity, and family blessings, making it a revered subject in Eastern craftsmanship. In this essay, we will delve into the detailed process of crafting a handcrafted wooden statue of Fook, from the careful selection of wood to the final touches of polish. This journey pays tribute to the skill, patience, and artistry of the craftsmen who bring these masterpieces to life. The cultural significance of Fook, the Foolush Show Trio, deeply rooted in Chinese and Vietnamese traditions, represents three fundamental aspects of a fulfilled life: happiness, Fook, prosperity, Luc, and longevity. Fook is often depicted as an elderly man holding a child or a scroll, symbolizing familial blessings and happiness. His presence in a home or temple is believed to attract good fortune and harmony. Understanding this significance guides the artisan's approach in capturing the essence of Fook in wood. Initial sketching and design concept. Before carving begins, the artist visualizes the final piece through sketches or clay models. These preliminary drafts help in refining proportions, posture, and facial expressions. Fook's facial expression must convey warmth and wisdom, while the intricate details of his robe and accessories require careful planning. This phase ensures that every aspect of the sculpture aligns with traditional depictions. The carving process. Rough shaping. The carving begins with shaping the rough outline of the statue. Using chisels, saws, and mallets, the artisan removes excess wood to define the basic silhouette. At this stage, the general structure of Fook starts to emerge, with attention to posture and balance. Refining details. Once the rough form is achieved, the artisan transitions to finer tools for detailing. Facial expressions, robe patterns, and symbolic elements such as the scroll or the child's figure are carefully sculpted. This stage demands exceptional skill, as even minor errors can alter the statue's intended expression and significance. Engraving and texture enhancement. Adding textures and engravings enhances the statue's realism and spiritual presence. Fine grooves are carved into the robe, creating the illusion of flowing fabric. Patterns symbolizing luck and prosperity are often etched onto Fook's clothing, reinforcing his role as a bringer of happiness. Smoothing and finishing touches. Once the carving is complete, the statue undergoes an extensive smoothing process. Sandpaper and files are used to refine the surfaces, ensuring a seamless finish. This step is crucial, as any roughness or splinters can diminish the statue's aesthetic appeal. Polishing and protective coating. To enhance the natural beauty of the wood and protect it from environmental damage, the statue is polished with natural oils, waxes, or lacquers. The choice of finish depends on the desired final look. Some artisans prefer a high-gloss shine, while others opt for a more subdued, matte appearance that highlights the wood's grain. The artisan's dedication and skill creating a wooden statue of Fook is not merely a technical endeavor, but an artistic and spiritual journey. Each piece reflects the artisan's dedication, knowledge of cultural traditions, and mastery of woodworking techniques. The ability to capture emotion, wisdom, and cultural symbolism in wood requires years of practice and an intimate connection with the craft. Challenges in the crafting process. The road to crafting such a masterpiece is filled with challenges. Wood is a living material that reacts to humidity and temperature changes, making it prone to cracking or warping. Artisans must anticipate these potential issues and adapt their techniques accordingly. Additionally, the high level of precision required means that even a single mistake can compromise hours of work. The lasting legacy of handcrafted wooden sculptures. Handcrafted wooden sculptures like the statue of Fook are more than decorative objects. They are a bridge between past and present, carrying forward centuries of artistic tradition. Each piece tells a story, embodying the values and beliefs of the culture from which it originates. The craftsmanship involved ensures that these sculptures remain timeless, cherished by generations to come. Conclusion: the wooden statue of Fook is a magnificent example of traditional artistry, blending cultural significance with extraordinary craftsmanship. From the careful selection of wood to the final polish, each step in its creation is a testament to the dedication and skill of artisans. These statues serve as enduring symbols of happiness and prosperity.
art of hand-carved wooden statue of show. A celebration of longevity and craftsmanship. Wood carving is one of the most ancient and revered art forms, passed down through generations to preserve cultural heritage. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to the Crafted Woodworks channel. Among the most cherished wooden sculptures in Eastern traditions is the figure of Sho, a deity representing longevity in the revered trio of Fu, Lu, and Sho, Fuck, Lock, Tho. This essay explores the intricate process of crafting a handcrafted wooden statue of Sho, from the initial selection of wood to the finishing touches that bring the masterpiece to life. Through this, we celebrate the skill and dedication of master artisans who turn raw timber into an artwork embodying wisdom, health, and long life. Understanding the symbolism of Sho, or Tho in Vietnamese culture, is the god of longevity, often depicted as an elderly man with a high forehead, long flowing beard, and a warm, gentle smile. He typically holds a peach, a symbol of immortality, and a staff adorned with gnarled wood and a dragon's head, signifying wisdom and authority. His presence in homes, temples, and businesses is believed to bless individuals with a long and prosperous life. The deep cultural significance of this deity makes sculpting Sho not only an artistic endeavor but also a spiritual practice. Selecting the perfect wood. Crafting a wooden statue of Sho begins with choosing the right type of wood. The ideal wood should be durable and resistant. Hardwoods such as teak, mahogany, rosewood, or camphor are favored for their resilience. Fine-grained and smooth. This ensures the possibility of intricate details and a refined finish. Aesthetic and aromatic. Some woods, like camphor, emit a pleasant fragrance, adding another layer of cultural significance to the statue. Artisans carefully inspect the wood for defects like cracks or knots that could affect the sculpture's durability. Once chosen, the wood is seasoned to remove moisture, preventing warping or splitting over time. Designing and sketching the statue before any carving begins. The artisan conceptualizes the final sculpture through sketches or clay models. This step helps in defining the proportions of Sho's face and body, the folds and flow of his robes, the intricate patterns of his staff and peach. Traditional representations guide the sculptor's work, ensuring that the statue embodies the cultural and spiritual essence of Sho. The carving process: rough shaping using chisels, saws, and mallets. The artisan carves out the rough shape of Sho. At this stage, the general posture, facial structure, and positioning of the hands are defined. This step requires precision to ensure balance and stability in the final form. Refining features and expressions. Once the general form is established, finer tools are used to sculpt Sho's distinct features. Facial details. The forehead is enlarged, the wrinkles carefully chiseled to reflect wisdom, and the beard flows naturally. Clothing textures. The robes are detailed with delicate folds, representing movement and grace. Symbolic items. The peach and staff are intricately carved, ensuring they reflect their legendary symbolism. Engraving traditional patterns. Many Sho statues feature engraved motifs that enhance their beauty. These may include cloud-like designs symbolizing the heavens, dragon patterns denoting power, or longevity symbols reinforcing the statue's meaning. Smoothing and sanding. After the detailed carving is complete, artisans meticulously sand the sculpture to achieve a smooth and polished surface. Different grades of sandpaper are used to refine textures, ensuring every part of the statue is free of rough edges or splinters. Applying protective coating and finishing to preserve the sculpture's beauty and durability. A protective layer is applied. This may include natural oils, e.g., tung or linseed oil enhances the wood's natural grain while providing protection. Lacquer or wax finish adds a subtle shine and shields against environmental factors. Gold leaf or paint. Optional, some statues are adorned with gold accents or painted details to enhance their spiritual significance. The artisan's dedication. The creation of a handcrafted wooden Sho statue is not simply a technical process but an artistic and spiritual endeavor. Artisans dedicate years to perfecting their skills, learning from masters.
เอาเลยเอาเลยเลิกไปดู